Got debt? No worries. This planner has your back because in this tutorial, we will be talking about Snowball Debt Management Sheet. The debt calculator lets you add up to 10 different debts. Just set your starting date and payment plans. The Snowball Debt Repayment method allows you to effectively manage your debts based on smaller ones being paid first. After entering your debt details like name, balance, interest rate, and minimum payment, you'll be able to see which debt is the most expensive and exactly when you'll be debt-free. Super motivating stuff. A word of caution, please don't try to overwrite anything next to minimum payment column. The interest owned and next sections are being calculated automatically. You only need to alter starting date, extra payment in the beginning, extra payment monthly, debt name, balance, interest rate, and minimum payment only.